Should you optimize for a long tail keyword? 1000% yes. Here's the thing though, first of all, you need to develop a content strategy. When you develop your content strategy, you want to make sure that you have transactional pages, you got to have informational pages, right? What's the difference between a transactional page and an informational page? An informational page might be, how to get a copy of an accident report, right? So that's definitely top of funnel. Like they're not necessarily looking for a car accident lawyer at that time, but we know that people are searching for that and they were involved in a car accident, right? And so why not try to rank on Google at the top for a search term like that when they're in their research phase, because they're investigating, how to get an accident report to hand over to their insurance company or whatever, right? They don't know that they need an attorney, or, maybe they don't realize that hiring an attorney is not necessarily free, but, there's no commitment unless they actually win the case, right? So as they're doing the research, great, that's a long tail keyword. You're now ranking for that. You leverage that by then linking to your transactional page, which is like if you were in, looking for a car accident lawyer, and then that goes to your car accident lawyer page. And now that kind of takes them all the way down to the bottom of the funnel, right? So absolutely, I would encourage you to write content both from the top of the funnel, long tail, informational type queries, and then also focus on, making sure that you're perfecting the bottom of the funnel with some of your transactional pages that are like probably your practice area pages. I think that's important. And then also sometimes you'll get insights. So if you're looking at like your analytics in Google Search Console, sometimes your transactional pages, if you look at all the different keywords that you're ranking for in that, it's very telling. It'll give you more insights on some of those long tail keywords that you can also write more content about as well. So definitely good luck with that, and highly encourage you to write as much content as you can about those long tail keywords.